So my project was a team picker. I finished coding last week, but didn't get around to presenting it. So, okay. And my goal is to create a working program that could select a team from a set of teams. But the challenge is to create such a program in a separate module named Tkinter, which I've been working in for the past couple of months. Also, So in the program, I used to insert buttons and labels to make the basic user interface, but the harder part was to move the arrow successfully. The trick was to have the arrow determine its next location, move to that location, and then delete any earlier copies of itself. The arrow also had to slow down after a fixed amount of time, which is accomplished by repeating the function with a fixed delay after each iteration. The hardest part was the animation. I had to receive some help from Ferdy Swag, which by the way is totally off limits. Let's see how this. Hey, who added this? Who added this? I didn't. Sorry. We're not. Let's see how this works. We're not accepting that. Okay.
Can you describe what's happening?
Anyone want to bet $0?
Can you explain what's happening?
So what's happening here is bud. What's happening here is the arrow is the arrow starts off at a specific speed and then cycles through these three options, returns to the top, keeps cycling. But every time there's a longer and longer delay between the arrow moving to each place. So and then at a point it eventually stops. So I made this point randomized, but I made this point randomized by using the import the random library. So I want to just say that. Another side effect of the program is that is this an older version of this program? I feel like it's an older version of this program. Maybe it's just yeah, it's okay. It's the side effect of the mechanics is that it always starts with team 2. So yeah, okay. Alright.
Does anyone have any questions? Justin?
Hi.
If you have more time, what would you add?
Probably an option to select how many teams you'd like to put.
What did you learn from that project?
I learned how to have basic animation by using these special commands like main after, arrows, like main after and what's it? And the whole arrow process was entirely new. Anyone else? No?
Alright, let's give a round of applause.